Storm Team Forecast. Independently certified, the most accurate in Central Kentucky.
Okay, we've already talked about how beautiful the weekend was, I enjoyed it, as George was saying, on the ground, which I thought was lovely, but George was enjoying it up in the air to a degree.
To a degree. I was getting a head jump on my Christmas lights. I do put up few too many, but took advantage of the nice warm weather.
Yes,
So
and I can't wait to show them off.
So I was up on the roof all day yesterday. It was nice up there too. It was really nice around the area, but let's head outside right now to Mount Sterling. This is our Fork Bank sky view, and it's beautiful out there right now. We're at 66 degrees. The dew point's at 50. And we have a little bit of a southeast breeze at 7 miles per hour, and to push that aside a little bit, notice the pavement is dry for now, but I think by this time tomorrow that will not be the case, unfortunately. We had 7 beautiful days of no rain, but that's going to change in a big, big way. Take a look at these temperatures, highs for today, and I mean really do take a good look at them, because we may not see these temperatures for the remainder of the year, because we have some very cold air coming in for this week, possibly colder air coming in next week. And gang, we're only 2 months away from Christmas, so the chance of getting these temperatures again, slim to none, unfortunately. But it was a great weekend after all, wasn't it? All right, here are weather headlines. Saying goodbye to a good friend. That's that high pressure system that gave us some beautiful weather. A very wet Monday is on tap, but our first freeze, yes, not saying it's going to happen, but it's certainly possible. Wednesday night and on into Thursday morning. Live HD says we're clean right now. Nothing going overhead, but notice the rain now starting to work its way into western Kentucky. So we will be seeing more and more rain as we go through the next 12 hours. Temperatures right now, not too bad. Still in the 60s, very pleasant. We're not going to drop much more than the 60s for tonight, because the cloud cover and the rain that's coming in. In fact, look at our cloud cover right now. We're mostly cloudy to cloudy, but notice the showers off to the west of us. They're going to intensify and increase in coverage as we go through the next 12 to 24 hours. But for tonight, we're going to see basically dry weather until early in the morning, when we'll see rain developing and we'll drop down to about 60 degrees. Now, I mentioned how cold it's going to get. Right now, we're still in the oranges right now, still pretty warm, but as I put it in motion and it takes us on into Tuesday night, notice what happens. A big chunk of cold Canadian air drives south right into the Ohio and Tennessee valleys. The coldest of the cold will be staying to our north. How much rain are we going to see? Well, Futurecast shows right now we're in pretty good shape as we head on into your Monday morning. A couple of showers here and there. We really get into it, though, by midday tomorrow. A little bit of a break, another shot comes in tomorrow night, and then we're going to see little bits of energy pinwheel around the storm system, and so we could see a few more showers on Tuesday and maybe even Tuesday night, and that should end possibly by Wednesday morning. How much rain are we going to see? Well, as we put it in motion here, it ends Tuesday morning. A good soaking rain throughout much of the Commonwealth, but here's a point. All right, leaves are changing. The leaves are falling. With this type of water out there, leaves could act as a little bit of a sheet of ice, so give yourself a little bit more space between you and the person in front of you. Now, for tomorrow specifically, we're looking for a high of only 66 degrees, and looks like rain could be heavy at times. Here's your 7-day forecast. Shows temperatures dropping off the cliff. We could see a high of only 52 come Wednesday, and then, of course, we see warmer temperatures by the weekend. Could be more rain on Friday, and we'll be right back with more news.